Let's see how to update MariaDB on XAMPP. So right now, if I open my phpMyAdmin, we can see which version of MariaDB we're using, and for me right now it's 10.4.32. This is what we're going to update. Let's start by going to mariadb.com. Here we need to click on Download, and in this page we need to click on Show All Files. We need to choose our operating system. I am on Windows, so that's what I'll choose. And from here we need the zip file. Notice that there are two zip files over here, one with debug symbols and another one without them. We don't really need them, so this is the one we'll download. It's also a bit smaller, so the download will be a bit faster. And we now have our zip file. Let's open it. And this is the content of the zip archive. It contains a folder called MariaDB. So let me put this zip file on the right here. And let's open another File Explorer window on the left. On the left, I'll open my XAMPP installation folder. And since we're going to make some changes to our MySQL installation, we need to stop it first. So let's open our XAMPP control panel and stop MySQL and Apache. Now, in our XAMPP installation folder, we should have a folder called MySQL. Here it is. And we need to rename it. I'll rename it to MySQL old. Let's now create here a new folder, and this will be the new MySQL folder. So, MySQL. At the moment, this folder is empty, but we're going to paste into it the content of the folder from the zip archive. So from the zip file, let's open the MariaDB folder, and let's copy all the files from here and paste them to our new MySQL folder. It has to be extracted from the zip file, so it will take a minute. So on the left we have our new MySQL folder, and on the right I'll now open the old MySQL folder. And let's show file extensions, just to make things a bit clearer. Now, from the old MySQL folder, we need to copy three files: install service, uninstall service, and reset root, and two folders: backup and scripts. So let's copy all of these files and folders and paste them to the new MySQL folder. Next, we need to open the bin folder in the new MySQL folder and in the old one as well. In the old folder, there should be a file called my.ini. We need to copy this file and paste it to the new bin folder. Next, we need to create a data folder in our MySQL folder. So let's create a new folder and name it data. And we just created it, so it's empty, of course. Now, from the old MySQL folder, we need to open the backup folder. And we need to copy over the four folders. Not the files, only the folders. So let's copy them and paste them. Let's get back to our XAMPP control panel. And let's try to restart Apache and MySQL. And if we get back to our browser and open phpMyAdmin and refresh it, we can see that MariaDB was updated and we're now running the latest version.